Hello there, this is Chris at Windy Gaming. I had done a unboxing video of my Acer Chromebook C7. Let's just turn that around, it's kind of plugged in. And I had just installed the latest build of Ubuntu Linux. And we're just going to show off the new start time. So I'm going to reset my clock. And we're going to open this thing up. It should still auto boot. Yep, there we go. We're already booting. And I have the clock going. So it boots into developer mode. And once you're out of dev mode, it goes right into Linux. So we're just timing the new start time, because right about now is when the old Chrome OS would have started up. And there's the beep letting me know that it's moving on. When I saw this computer, I thought there was a lot more potential at its $200 price point than what was initially being shown. So once I put Linux on there, I noticed it was going to be a little bit pokey. It was moving a little bit slowly. So what I did was popped onto Amazon. If you guys were curious as to what kind of pops up when these happen. And there we go. We are in Linux time, waiting for my network to get caught up. And we are established at 1 minute and 4 seconds. The old startup time was around 18 to 20 seconds with just Chrome running. So a minute startup, it's not bad considering the power inside, but I want to kind of help that out a little. So the first of the upgrades I'm going to do, I went on to Amazon and I got this 8 gig RAM kit, which should just slide right in. We're going to take off this back panel, is held on by one screw here, and once I remove that sticker and open up that screw, I void the living daylights out of the warranty. So when that's all done, we should, I'll do another quick video with the new start time. And there we go, we're up and running. This is just your basic, what we see. So yeah, this is the Linux build for Chromebooks. It has a 320 gig hard drive. Now I have a chance to use it. It's got the Intel Sandy Bridge based Celeron processor in it, so it's a little bit better than the ARMs on the Samsungs. The only downside is the what's it called? Is the battery, which again, considering it's just a rebranded Acer Aspire 1, means I can get a nice battery for it. And if I'm feeling fancy, maybe I'll put a solid state drive in it. But at $200, it's really one of the best deals out there. I think it's the cheapest computer out there, short of going used or going refurbed. But yeah, guys, I will get this installed, and I will put up another video later with the new boot times. But this thing is it does more stuff now. So if you find Chrome OS limiting, this is actually a pretty good way to do it. Have a good one, guys. Take care.